everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have another fashion box to you, and it is my Fashom box. I'm really excited to share it with you. I know I just did one about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I had good luck with Fashom. I've had good luck with Fashom. So Fashom is another styling service where you fill out a style profile, and actually based on your profile, you get a preview of items from your stylist, and you get to choose from that preview the 5 items that you want sent to you. So that's really cool. So I kind of know what they sent me ahead of time in the box. I did take everything out of the box, and I'll go through it as an unboxing with you, but I do know ahead of time what they send because you pick from that selection. But everything's always different in person, right? You never know what you're gonna get until you actually, have it in your hands and try it on. So Fashom does have really reasonable prices. They also have a new discount system that they've introduced recently, and it is, I think it's, if you buy 3 or 4 items, you get 25% off. And then if you keep all 5, you get 30% off. That's awesome. You do pay a $15 styling fee after your first box, but that does get credited to anything in your box that you keep too. So really, really awesome. I've had good luck with them. I've had good luck with their quality too. I personally haven't had any issues. So last box I kept 3 items, and I'm really excited to show you what I got in this box because I think I'm gonna keep some more. Really, really promising stuff. I haven't tried anything on yet, so that is always the game changer. All right, so let's go through my box. So in your box, you do get an envelope, and inside your envelope, you get your invoice, right? Least favorite part of the box, but we have to have it. We gotta know what we're paying. And then I love this about Fashom. You always get a card that says what's next. So if you're new to the service, it lays it out really nicely. They offer exchanges if they're available and things like that. So really cool. And then you get your prepaid mailer. So anything that you're not keeping goes right in here. So convenient. I just drop it off at the post office. Easy. All right, should we get to my box? Oh, I do want to thank, I had somebody use my link and I can't seem to figure out who it is with Fashom. It's not on the app and it's not on the invoice. So if it was you, thank you so much for using my link. I really appreciate it. And I hope that you love your Fashom box too. Do you guys get Fashom? Let me know. All right, so let me share my clothes. So the first thing is by Kris and Carol. And I don't see a size on the tag. So I'll have to look at the invoice and go over the size after. But it's this really pretty baseball tee. Look at how pretty, ooh. If I could hold it up to show you, then you'd be able to see it, right? So here, it's a floral print in the middle, and then each sleeve has this really pretty bright hot pink color. I love that. Really fun. And then next, this is by, hang on, where's the tag? Zenobia, and it's an XL, XL. And each sleeve has a really pretty gold button detail, so it's a short sleeve blouse. And it's almost a floral detail. I think this is a black shirt. I can't tell. I'll have to look at the invoice and see if it names the color too. Really, really pretty. And then, whoops, let's do this first. I'm so excited to try this on. This is also by Kris and Carol. And it must be that Kris and Carol just doesn't put their sizes on the tags, but I'll look at the invoice and I'll put it across the screen. So it's a cold shoulder top and it's white lace. I can't wait to try this on. Short sleeve, love the style of this. Oh, I'm so excited for that one. And then next, this is by Mittoshop. This is an extra large also. And it's a black short sleeve t-shirt type of shirt, and each of the sleeves has this lace kind of mesh detail, so that's really pretty. Promising box. And then lastly, this is by APNY. I got a shirt by that brand in my last box. I didn't keep it, but I loved the weight and the material and the cut. I actually think I love the style of this, or the pattern of this one a little bit more. Where's the size? It's on here, I think. XL. Yep, it's written on. I think that's what it is. Again, I'll look at the invoice to make sure. Really pretty. Blues and greens, tunic length, 3/4 length sleeves. Really pretty with white pants. All right, I can't wait to try everything on, so let's do it. All right, my first top is by Kris and Carol, and this is the lace cold shoulder top. It's $45. Unfortunately, the invoice doesn't have the size either, so I couldn't find it on the shirt. It's not on the back tag, so I'm sorry I can't share that with you, but it's this really pretty off the shoulder, or cold shoulder, I'm sorry, top. I love that the sleeve, so the body of the shirt itself has a lining, which I will show you, but I love that the sleeve is just kind of like that pretty lace. Love that, the sheer lace. I like this top a lot from like here up. I'm not sure if I like the flowiness of this top, but what do you think? Not bad. Love the cold shoulder. The back. Not bad. I like it. Let me know what you think. I do really like the lace. That's what I'm trying to say. I can't think of my words. I'm sorry. I love the lace of this top. I think it's just so pretty. All right, I got some more tops to try on, so let's do it. All right, I'm keeping this top. I don't need your help with this one. That's how you know I love it. So this is by Mittoshop. This is the Jersey Slub Scoop Neck Knit Top, $38. It is an extra large. Love the neckline. Yay, I love a good scoop neck that's not too close to my neck. I put it on with a necklace. That's also how you know I love this top. I thought that the sleeves, like the bottom of the sleeves, were just this pretty lace, but it actually goes up to like the neckline area, which is like all the way up the shoulder, which is really pretty on each side. I love that. This is such a pretty top, and look at the length. We're doing really well here. So I love this black top. Can't go wrong with black. You can't have too much black in your closet. So I'm so happy to add one. And the price point is so awesome. Oh, the material on this top, 95% rayon and 5% spandex. Really, really comfortable, really, really soft. I love it. Love a good sleeve detail. It is so unique. Here's the back. Let me know what you think, but I'm keeping this one. All right, we're gonna move on. All right, so this next top is by Zenobia. This is a button sleeve top, only $24. Wow, this is a good top for work too. And what am I missing? Oh, size, I think it was an extra large. I forgot to check the fabric, so just hang on, I can look here. This is 100% polyester. I thought so, but I wanted to make sure. Wow, I'm so shocked at the price point. So I like the neckline, another scoop neck, which is great. Look at how cute the button detail they have gold button details on each shoulder. I love that. So cute. Back up so you can see the whole top. This is a cute blouse for work to wear. I can wear it with white pants. I could probably wear it with jeans too. Maybe black pants. I think this is black, but I'm not positive. It doesn't say on the invoice, but I think this is. So at first when I unboxed it, I thought it could be navy, but no, I think it is a true black. And then I'll turn around so you can see. Good in the back too. I like this one. I didn't think I was gonna keep this one, but like when I first pulled it out of the box, but I like it. I think the pattern is nice, and I think I'm just loving the gold buttons on each of the shoulders. I think that's such a cute detail. All right, 2 more tops to try on, so let's see them. All right, I'm a baseball tee girl. I think this top is by Kris Carol. Again, I don't know the size, so I apologize. Floral printed jersey knit raglan top, $41. It is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. So it's got the body of the top is a really pretty floral print, and then I love the pretty color pink sleeves. Really, really cute. It's a really great length. Yay, I'm wearing them with my white pants again, so I like it. I think this top is a keeper too. Good length in the back. I just love this floral print. I think it's so pretty. I kind of want a top in just this floral print because it's so pretty. I love it. All right, let me know what you think, but I think I have 3 keepers so far. Let me try on the next top, see if we have 4, maybe 5. All right, hang on. All right, last top, it's by APNY, and this is the Natural Crepe Tunic, $55, and 100% viscose. It's an extra large. So let me back up so you can see. I love the pretty pattern of this top. I like the tunic with the V, or the split neck. I like that a lot. I love, I think I said this in my last box when I got 3/4 length sleeves. I love 3/4 length sleeves for this time of year because some days like today, it wasn't cold, but it wasn't that warm either. So you need something in between, and that's where 3/4 length sleeves come into play, and I love them. These colors, the blues and the greens, are so pretty. I really like them. So what do you think? I like this top. I think we have either a 4 for $5 or a 5 for $5. What do you think? I've never had a 5 for $5 with Fashom, and I might have one, but I'm curious to hear your thoughts. All right, I'm gonna do a quick recap and I'll see you in a second. All right, time for the recap. So quickly, if I kept everything in the box, the total is $203, but remember, you get 30% off for keeping everything. That takes off $60.90, bringing it down to $142.10. Now you still get your $15 taken off plus the credit I have. So it'd probably be, again, I'm not good at math, so on the app, it's probably gonna be like about $120 to keep all 5 items. Can't beat that, right? All right, let's go through and see if I should. So I'm thinking I wanna keep this top. It's really pretty. Love the colors and love the pattern and love the weight. Did I tell you it's 100% viscose? I think I missed that. So that's the material of this top. And then I think I'm keeping this one too. It's gonna be a really good blouse, a short sleeve blouse to wear to work. So on warmer days, I can wear that. And I just wanna remind you of these cute button details. How adorable. So this I think is a yes. And I think I'm keeping the baseball tee too. I like the pattern of this a lot. I love the floral print. I think it's so pretty. I'm not usually a big baseball tee wearer, but can't pass this one up, I don't think. And then I am for sure 120% keeping this black top with the pretty lace sleeves. I just love that look. And I'm on the fence about this one, the cold shoulder top by Kris and Carol, the white lace one. I love it. I did pick up a white lace top recently in another box, but it was an off the shoulder top. I like this one too though, because this one I could wear to work. So I don't know. I'm torn on this one. This is the only one that I'm really like, I don't know. But again, I love hearing your thoughts and I can't wait to hear what you think. So please, please, please let me know what you think of this box. All right. Thank you for joining me today. I truly appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well. Stay tuned. I have a lot more coming for boxes for you, so I'll be back soon. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.